Hello everyone, this is my review of JUIN Magnetic Fireplace cover. It has made a noticeable difference in my living room. This fireplace cover fits over the fireplace and can be attached with two hooks or magnets all around the edges. It even comes with metal attachments so you can install it if you have no metal around your fireplace. It helps with heat retention and looks sleek and adds to the room aesthetic. It was quick and easy to install and set up. The material is durable. It feels great. Does a good job insulating the space. Since using it, I've already noticed a difference in the warmth of the room and it's reduced loss of heat. I highly recommend it for a fireplace cover if you're looking for a way to cut down on downdrafts, and I hope this review helps.